Okay.
Close your eyes. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow! Is it so amazing?
Yeah! Remember what I told you?
So tell me about it, Hunter.
Okay, I'm not ready yet. We're making it back.
How do you get in?
I'm not going to tell you.
Is there a secret entrance?
Yes. It's secreter, powerful than your look. Power. Way powerful. Way more powerful than love.
I don't think anything's more powerful than love. There's no such thing.
Oh yeah. But it has to be perfect like that. Okay, cover your eyes.
Okay.
Keep them closed till we get in.
Okay.
Don't open them.
I'm not peeking.
Like, don't peek. 10,000 minutes if I get in. My whole body has to fit. It's a secret entrance way. But is it dark in there? Well, don't look yet.
Okay, I'm waiting so patiently.
I can't get in. Okay, Mom, you can open them now.
Okay, because you can't get in? Where's Brendan? Where's the Brendan? Brendan! I see you. Brendan! Maybe if you took the pillow out of there, you could get in.